Smiles. You're not gonna do another one of those videos, are you?
You do one every Wednesday.
I do one all the time, yeah. All right, it is time for Workshop Wednesday status report for the month of October. If you're wondering, we haven't done one of these for like 4 months, I think, maybe May or June when we were just starting to deal with life at the event center here. Yay, it is October, hard to believe. Last year when we took the tent down in December, we said, whatever happens, as soon as the season is over, we're gonna take it down before snow. Yeah, that white stuff, that's snow. So our last wedding here at the gardens was 2 weeks ago, and then we got 8 or 10 inches of snow here, so it's slowly disappearing. And we're back into the 40s this week. Next week we're gonna be in the 50s, so it's gonna be a great day. But we're a really busy day. The tent is coming down, so we'll show a little bit more of that as we get here. We're gonna check out the gardens. There's 3 new additions to the garden team you may wanna see. That's gonna be fun. And we'll take a spin through the log yard and kind of just get an idea what's gonna be happening. All right, let's take some tent down. So it is one of those fun days here. They're kind of all like this. Sun's coming out. They promised some blue skies. That's not too bad. Haven't done a lick of fall cleanup because the snow came before that. And yes, you hear that nice loud noise. Gonna try to do a paver project yet this year. Goodness gracious, if we get it done, that would be fantastic. But Audie's brought a nice load of class 5 over. That's what's getting dumped right there. Kind of out in the parking lot. There's a couple of the big logs that we salvaged. We'll get down to the log yard in a bit, that's for sure. Oh, yay. How about that? Nice big Kenworth. Always wanted to drive a Kenworth. They are predicting 50s next week, so as down as I was about this snowfall, because I'm like, yeah, no, this stuff's here for this. It's here till April. I think maybe if we hit 50s, they're talking 50s on Saturday. It's Wednesday. Our snow will be gone, and where this is gonna go, it will make its way in. Kind of a fun little look here at the gardens. There's the project. Let's pop over there. Well, we were making some really nice progress on the granite wall back here, and just looking so pretty, especially in sunlight. Gotta like that. But we were making really sweet progress till our snow showed up. So it looks so good in the sunlight. Really happy with how it's coming together. Anyways, it's like 12 feet up there. What's gonna happen is we will end up setting up the scaffolding and enclosing it. I don't think it's gonna be warm enough for me to finish it all by myself without getting it enclosed. So we will get it enclosed. We'll keep breaking rock. We'll check that out in front of the shop. But progress on the stone wall. Doggone, that's pretty. Thanks, Marty and the crew. I am gonna head over with the poles to the barn. That'll get us over to the log yard. Yeah, I know we wish we could get everything done. I think I mentioned it in an Instagram post, or it might even been a tweet, doesn't matter. I don't think I've ever said in the history of me trying to remember everything I've ever said, but hey, I'm ready for snow. Let it snow. Never, ever do you get everything done that you think or want to get done. So the log yard, I guess it looks pretty covered in snow. Here is the firewood shed that is completely empty. We used up all the firewood at the weddings this year, but you're not gonna believe this. I've got wood to make firewood. It's right there. There's the splitter. We'll get after it. Poles will head into the barn. Let's just cruise, I'm pretty sure. So we got plenty of firewood right there. Good to go. A couple of the big oak logs, those are getting up soon. This pile here in the middle, this was gonna be the first thing to get tackled. And I was right in the middle of sorting a whole bunch of the slabs out when the snow showed up. So I don't like having snow on them, but sometimes it is what it is. There's gonna be some milling going on here this winter, that's for sure. Hey, let's pop into the workshop, you know, because that's what this is about. Workshop at the gardens, and meet the latest, the newest arrivals to the gardens team. I guess we call it our stone quarry here. Bustings have been going well. We'll get on that now that the snow is melting. But into the workshop. Oh, isn't that comforting? Just like all good workshops. Don't have to rehash that it's a project shop. Nice big timbers for a timber frame. Yes, I know. You were wondering. I finished one of the obelisk, and that's out in the garden. I'll get this one done this week. All right, newest arrivals, thanks to Ed and Mary. They're hiding underneath the water plants. But Big Lou is a 10-year-old goldfish, and I'm gonna pull this back and we'll see if we can see some of them. There they are. And there's Big Lou. 10-year-old goldfish. And his posse. They like hanging out underneath those plants. Anyways, Ed did not have enough room in his garage tank to winter these goldfish, and Randy, thanks Randy, Randy had an extra, I don't even know what you want to call this, koi display tank from Aquascape, I guess that's what you would call it. And he's lent that to me for the winter, and these goldfish will end up in the pond here. Oh, look at the pretty one there. A couple fantails in there too. They're looking really nice. All right, so that's what's going to be keeping me company here in the shop this winter as I finish cleaning and organizing. Yeah, you don't believe me. Finish cleaning and organizing the shop here, the workshop. All right. And now we've got two more team members to introduce you to here at the workshop at the gardens. All right, we'll go get them and we'll catch you in just a second. Ooh, fun. Everybody remembers Jackson the garden dog. Yep. We're out by the grapevines. We're out by the wildflowers. Wedding in the Wood is over there. And yes, can you believe they're actually being nice and quiet just for a moment? Here are, can you guys see it? Can you guys look good for the camera? Yes. So this one right here, oh, Mr. Snuggles, this is Walter. And this is his sister. We named her Finnegan, otherwise Finn. They are totally pointers, GSPs, if you didn't know what they were. And this is their favorite spot in the world right now because they get to run and chase birds, and she's already pointing like, oh my god, there's a bird, there's a bird, there's a bird, let me go get it. All right, we're gonna go for a walk out by the Wedding in the Woods and out there. And we're gonna watch these guys have a little bit of fun. We're not gonna hunt pheasants. I could. Look at them go. Come on. Let's go, big boy. The garden dog. Ah, they love chasing those birds. Beautiful, beautiful day at the gardens. Wedding in the woods. The oak trees haven't dropped their leaves yet. What do you think then, huh? Yeah, at some point this is where the third expansion to the hugelkultur will happen. Maybe if it dries up here in November, we'll get started on it. Hauled in a couple of stumps. No way, you hauled in stumps? Where are those puppies? Come on. Here's your brother. There he is. Well, how about that? Well, welcome to one of the secret gardens. Most people have never seen this. I don't think anyone. Besides Michelle and I walk out here with the dogs and the deer. One of my favorite spots out here at the gardens. Not many people see this spot, but it's kind of cool. I don't think it'll become a ceremony site anytime soon. It is pretty cool though. It'll only get better with time. Alright, well, you can hear the combines off in the distance. They're still picking corn. And then this is where it opens up and back by the aspens. And these lucky puppies just love running out here and chasing birds, rabbits, squirrels, all that fun stuff. Okay, well, thanks so much for hanging in this video this long. Glad you did. You got to see one of my secret gardens out here at the gardens. Been a long year, stressful year. Thanks to all of the team members, including the new ones, for getting us through the year. Chris, Deb, Janae, Mandy, Andrew, who else? Heidi, Nicole, I'll forget somebody, Michelle, you know how that is. Anyways, do appreciate everyone's efforts, all of our absolutely wonderful, wonderful couples who got married this year at the gardens. Gotta turn it. Look at this guy come in. That's a happy dog. Yeah. All right. Thank you to everyone who helped get through the season of outdoor weddings. We have 2 small winter weddings happening yet this year. They're not till December, which is like a lifetime from now. And we will get everything cleaned up, put away before winter really does get here. And oh, you get to see Finnegan coming in hot. There she is. Oh, and one more picture of the garden dog, Jackson. He's always been camera shy. Okay, so enough of me dribbling about all this fun stuff. This has been the status report for October 2020 workshop at the gardens. Hopefully we'll get back on a regular schedule with the updates now that the craziness of the wedding season is done. But hey, you have yourself a fantastic day, fantastic weekend. Stay safe, stay strong. Peace, love, understanding. See ya.